Welcome back to the show. I'm your host Rashid Al-Omari, and we are broadcasting live from Barcelona Mobile World Congress 2023. I'm so privileged to have Laura, our Chief Marketing Officer from VMware, to be our special guest today. So Laura, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
How are you? How is the vibes? How is Barcelona?
It's wonderful. Barcelona, always wonderful. Such a welcoming city.
Yes, it is indeed. So we are in Barcelona and there are so many vibes happening outside. What's your reflection so far on the Mobile World Congress?
Huge attendance, over 80,000 people. And it's bigger than it's been in the last couple of years. There's a ton of excitement to be back here. News is happening across everywhere. VMware has a ton of news happening ourselves. And we're seeing a lot of core themes. Largely, one of the core themes is around sustainability and energy.
Wow. And
we're not just from VMware, but from companies across all 8 halls, all types of companies, and it's a commitment to sustainability as part of their telco and service provider businesses.
Well, and that's why I think outside in our booth we are having really demonstrating how sustainability is very important and how even though service provider they can do it from the radio access all the way to the cloud. And we're gonna stay tuned for our viewers. Tomorrow we're gonna show you that really live. On how in a live data and using AI to be able to deliver on that sustainability agenda.
It's a great demo.
Yeah. So, Laura, we are in Mobile World Congress, and I know VMware is really making sure and investing to be in this forum. What's your thought about our participation and our relevance to the industry?
It's important that we're here. We work with and partner with, and we have so many customers that are here. And so our relevancy is really about the part that we play in helping all of our customers and partners in their businesses. And what's been really interesting is the commonality around multi-cloud and the complexities. No matter who it is, what business it is, the meetings that we sit in, it is a common theme that comes across from everybody. Everyone's dealing with it. And so VMware's relevancy and support and the way that we can help everyone just continues to be an important topic for them.
Wow. And I think also just notice, because we've been part of this executive meetings that happening during the forum, and we can see like regulators, customers, even though like at ministry levels of ICT within different countries, all they can at the same time come excited about the ORAN and what's this capability that can bring to their societies, as well to the operators, as well new capabilities that end user also they're going to be benefiting it while reducing the cost of operation, as well liberating that market. In addition also to the multi-cloud, because all of a sudden, like the topic of the multi-cloud and openness and ability to interoperability between the different platforms is becoming key. I don't know what's your reflection on we see this topic is really resonating everywhere in each and every meeting that we're having.
It was interesting. We had a meeting with a partner of ours here, and they were talking about the fact that just 2-3 years ago, customers of theirs were saying, no, we're not multi-cloud. But they were, they just didn't realize it. And that's a common topic. And you hear it not just from our customers and our partners, you hear it from industry analysts, that people that were saying, I only have a single cloud, or I'm a single cloud company. They're not. And so the complexities that come along with it and how they're building through their digital transformation, moving to the cloud, it's becoming more of a reality that it is just a multi-cloud world and that they need to work through how to be successful.
Absolutely, and I think this will bring a different dimension to the discussion, which is there are so many innovation around us, either coming from VMware, also from the whole industry ecosystem, and a lot of let's say new jargon and new innovation and new technologies coming. So for our viewers as well, our customers, our partners, from the lens of marketing that you see all of this information flooded in, really how to cope with all of this? It's really too much. So what give us a pragmatic advice to really able to take a step-by-step approach to be able to comprehend what's happening here.
There's a ton happening here, no question about it.
Yeah.
And it's really what's of interest to you as a viewer of what you want to look at. I highly recommend looking at what's happening from Mobile World Congress. It is the future of technology. It's not just about mobile anymore.
Yeah.
The conference has really progressed. And you walk the halls and you see everything from AI to SD-WAN to what the different telecom providers are actually doing with new devices, all of that. It's all here. So wherever you live in the world, because every country, it feels like, is represented here, there is innovation happening. And this is a great place to be able to just skim through the news, read the news, see what topic you want to learn about, because it's happening here.
Yeah, and I think as we are speaking there also, I know that we are hosting a live press release, and every day we are doing a daily press release from Mobile World Congress, and there are a lot to be shared with the customer.
There is.
An announcement, so for everyone, stay tuned. We announce, let's say, like a new innovation as VMware. Also at the same time, we are doing like customer release, like joint innovation, or some like major partnership with some of our global customer and regional customers. And I think this is also a testimony for everyone that, like, even though if you are experimenting or, they want to put it publicly just to see, get a reflection. And it's not like what used to before. Everybody used to before to say, once I've done everything and then I will start announcing it. But now what we see with the new technologies, which is in a try fast, fail fast, approach, they are on the forefront of that. What's your reflection into, the customer's appetite to say, I'm doing this, I'm trying this, what's your reflection on
Innovation's happening every single second, right? And so what is coming, there's a huge appetite to be able to learn. Now, some companies obviously are on the bleeding edge and are willing to take the risk and try everything that's new, and others are here learning about it and probably are years out from taking that innovation and implementing it within their own technology. But that's really what it's all about. Get a taste of it and then figure out, are you going to use it? Or are you going to think about it?
Just getting, like maybe things could go wrong, could go, as expected, or could exceed your expectation. And that's why it's with the speed of innovation that we have also need to have the speed of trying.
Absolutely.
And testing it, right?
Yeah, to try and fail fast and move forward, test and trial, all of that. It's absolutely true.
Okay. So Laura, really thank you for being with us. It's always like a privilege having you in our show. Just for your viewers and for the listeners, if you want to address any final remarks to them.
I highly recommend check out the highlights from Mobile World Congress. It's an incredible week. Like I said, 80,000 plus people here, but it doesn't mean that all of you get access to all the information because you're not here. So check out all the information, and we welcome you to check out VMware's own news page to learn more about what we're announcing.
So thank you, Laura, for being with us today, and hopefully we're going to see you soon.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For our listeners and viewers, stay tuned. There are so many, let's say, like episodes to come. As we promise you, we're gonna go live into our booth outside just to have an experience. And I promise you that experience will start with something which we all love and adore, which is the coffee. And I will tell you how passionate we are about the coffee. Aren't we, Laura?
Yes, very much. Robots.
Robots. Coffee with robots. Okay, thank you for being with us. Stay tuned. We'll get back to you. Thank you.